to get a flawless skin in 2025, you just need 3 things. So I want to give you guys cheap strategy on you can get your dream skin. You don't need to spend too much to get that skin that you require. Less is more. So this is a budget-friendly skincare routine that will take your skin from 0 to 100. First of all, you get a body soap. When choosing your body soap, you choose a soap that you can use for both your face and your body. Body soaps are no more than 3,000 naira. So when you are trying to get a body soap, you get a body soap that suits your skin, or that is trying to treat what you are trying to target. Let's say you have hyperpigmentation in your skin. You go for a soap that has turmeric, that has something whitening, that has kojic acid. If your skin is sensitive, you go for like Dove. You understand? So you use it for your face and your body. That is 3,000 naira. Are you calculating with me? And after that, you get a body cream. Most of all this vitamin C body cream, many people use it on their face and on their body. Like this, people use it on their face and on their body. It works for them, it's okay for them, and it is fine, because these creams, they are moisturizer, they are not harsh. So this is just to glow your skin. Do you understand? And then if you want to buy body oil, you buy oils like this. There are affordable oils that look like this. This is even the small of the VIT, the 200 ml. The oil that looks like this. If you cannot afford this one, you can buy something like this. It is also safe. If you have money, you can buy bigger body oil like Aveeno, Neutrogena, Vaseline. Very good as well. Let's say this cream is about 6,000 naira. So 6,000 naira plus 3,000 naira, that is how much? 9,000 for your body. Then you get a good scrub. You can get Cool Spa, you can get VIT Gold. They are affordable. You can get this one. You can even make your own sugar scrub by yourself with no cost. And that is all for body. Just 3 items you need: your soap, your body scrub, and your body lotion, and your skin will glow. Hey, your skin will glow. You don't need too much. You don't need too. See me, I don't do too much on my skin. No, forget what you're saying. I don't do too much on my skin. Add the moisture already. So it's just, this is my body soap, Dove. Sometimes I use PS. Many times you guys used to see me with Johnson baby oil. I don't need too much. I don't need it. So that is how you should take your skin. Your skin should be your holy grail. You can get a flawless skin with just 10,000 naira. There's this Dove cream they sell now. That cream they sell like 3,000 naira. That Dove cream, use it on your skin with your bar soap, turmeric and honey, or you can use Dove. You are fine. You are good to go. Don't let anybody pressure you. Even me, don't let me pressure you. That content that they shoot, don't let them pressure you. Do you get the face? Check my next videos out. Follow me for more, and I'm going to upload it in my next video. Mwah.